All right, let's go straight to my screen here. I believe this is about CamTrix. This is a camera that's being sold under the name of CamTrix. Let me move my mic up just a little bit. There we go. I don't have it situated perfectly yet. And this is about a camera that apparently is the exact same thing you could buy on Amazon or Temu for a much cheaper price and a much more generic name. So what people appear to have done is they've taken a camera that's cheap on Amazon and Temu, and then they have rebranded it with the name CamTrix. And now it's available for a higher price through something called CamTrix. And they, I guess, are hoping that you don't realize this is something that is sold for much cheaper. But let's watch this ad that you probably saw, and I'll tell you a little bit more about what this is. I made a previous video about this. It's flying in right now, but let's talk about this. Let's show this first.
This is why this tiny Wi-Fi camera has been taking the U.S. by storm. This brand new subscription-free mini Wi-Fi camera provides more security features than traditional doorbell systems without ever having to pay for expensive installation or monthly fees, making typical doorbell cameras totally outdated. It's called CamTrix and was created by former employees of a doorbell company based in Santa Monica, California. Their innovation completely revolutionized the home security industry.
So with these sorts of videos, they often show people who maybe, I'm not positive, maybe have nothing to do with this at all, and it just looks compelling, and they mix it with some stock video, and then you might believe it.
Already providing huge savings to delighted homeowners, totaling thousands of dollars. So, major doorbell camera companies are doing their best to resist the change. After years of working as technicians for a doorbell camera company in Santa Monica, Evan and Justin learned that...
This is a scam thing too as well, is that they will give first names for someone, but they won't tell you their last names. They didn't mention the company that they used to be with or anything like that, right?
Homeowners needed an advanced yet affordable subscription-free surveillance solution. They realized that traditional doorbell cameras were outdated and too expensive. That's when Evan and Justin decided to take action.
The dude's taking off his glasses like, well, we're really going to think this through. This is stressful, but we're going to figure this out. You know, obviously they're on a phone call here. The phone is down. They're both looking at the phone and, you know, they're talking to somebody about something and they might have nothing to do with this at all.
Blessed with years of technical experience and an honest desire to give back to the community, they developed a unique plug-and-play mini Wi-Fi camera that provides superior security and convenience. When their former company offered $2.7 million for production rights, Evan and Justin declined the offer. It was then that they realized the impact his invention could have.
Okay, show those two guys that they keep showing there talking about CamTrix. Are they going to do that? No, because of what this is.
Group of investors joined them in his mission to provide a
holy stock video
home security. They perfected the device and readied it for mass production. It's the most cost-effective way to upgrade your home security system. Unlike traditional doorbell cameras that are fixed.
Let me just say this. I know I keep pausing. You're like, come on, man, just play the video. About your home security. You want to make sure that whatever you buy, if you buy a camera, a home security system, whatever, that it is going to work, be dependable, be trustworthy. And in my opinion, you should go with a brand that has a lot of authority behind it, a lot of backing behind it, and not necessarily something that you only find in a social media ad. And why? This is your security, maybe your family's security. You shouldn't try to find ways to cut corners on that because something more substantial, something more authoritative, more credible might be the difference in being able to be more secure with your security system, right?
Limited in their range, CamTrix offers incredible security benefits. It records at higher resolutions and boasts features such as enhanced LED night vision, wide 150-degree viewing angle, remote live feed, two-way audio communication, full HD live video, and more. Best of all, you have complete control over these features right from your smartphone or computer. Whether you're a qualified electrician or a housewife with no prior knowledge of electrical items.
What? Wait a minute. Did they just diss housewives, diss women, just like they're all like morons or something? That's what they're acting like, not what I'm saying or meaning.
Or a housewife with no prior knowledge of electrical items.
Yes, because housewives have no idea about anything. They just sit at home and drink red wine like this person. I mean, how terrible is that they include that here?
Setting up CamTrix is a breeze requiring just 4 simple steps. First, download the app, then scan the QR code with your cell phone to establish a connection to your Wi-Fi. CamTrix comes with a magnetized base that sticks to any surface, making it easy to hide. Stick it to walls, fridges, garages, or even carry it with you on the go. No cables or batteries required, and you're all set. In less than a minute, you can monitor your surroundings from your cell phone or computer. Best of all, it saves you hundreds of dollars yearly compared to traditional security systems. CamTrix has already shipped over 1 million units since its release, but major doorbell camera companies are still trying to resist the change. They have already restricted its availability in retail stores, forcing to sell it exclusively online. Now they're trying to take that away too, and it looks like they could succeed. The good news is Evans Company is extending a massive sale on CamTrix before it establishes itself as the new standard.
This is the typical scam thing. I'm not saying this is a scam. I'm just saying this is a typical scam thing to offer a 50% discount or some big discount. And then they'll tell you on the website what the regular price is. But guess what? They're never going to sell it for the regular price. There's always going to be a discount. So there is no regular price. The regular price is the discount, really. And, as I'm looking at this, and I've seen this before, this CamTrix thing, I'm thinking about this is not something I would buy for my home security system. If I was to buy something like this, and I might buy one, it would not be for that. It would be like, maybe I am going to put my dog in my backyard and I want to take this little camera out there, set it up to where I can watch him on my phone. And when I bring him back in an hour later, half an hour later, whatever, I bring the camera back in. It's like a side thing. It's not like your main home security system camera sort of a thing. That's the only reason or only way that I think I might use this sort of a thing is, for little things here and there, not a permanent home security solution because they haven't talked about it yet in the video because I'm assuming battery life is an issue. Whenever you just don't have any way of restoring or recharging the battery easily when, I'm talking about when it's on a wall or something and it just sits there, let's say it's like 10 feet up on a wall that's 2 floors high, in a large room, then you're not going to want to have to take it down to do something to it, to recharge it or to change the batteries like often. And so that might be one drawback to this because this thing looks pretty small.
Home security, but this has sent demand through the roof, so this amazing offer won't last long. Click the link below to buy CamTrix from the official website. The founders are so confident in their product
that they are not telling you their last name.
Offering a 30-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. With the need for better home security at an all-time high, you have to hurry. Click the link to get yours with a 50% discount now.
Okay. So this is a screen recording I did on Instagram and an ad that I received. So that's why it's vertical. And let me go ahead here. I believe I clicked the link or I go to the Facebook page. Okay, I click the link. It goes to getcamtrix.com. Claims to be a blog called Tech Trends, and that's not true at all. Why would they be pretending to be a blog called Tech Trends? I guess it continues the somewhat deceptive nature of this entire ad thing. It also says 112,500 likes with 4.5 stars from what? What is that based upon? Written by Matt Bernard or Bernard or whatever, but there's no information about who he is. You can't click on his name. And then it's going to talk about this thing all throughout the page. And I think I just scrolled down past a bunch of this stuff. The CamTrix Magnetic Mini Security Camera is the full name. No installation, no monthly cost. Yeah, it's just a little camera and maybe it connects to your phone and that's about it. It's not something that I personally would consider a full, home security system, especially if you're worried about your security in a big way. This product is not available on Amazon or eBay is what it says in the middle right there. And it is available on Amazon and probably eBay as well, but let's go look at Amazon real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Like for example, check out my screen here. This one says wireless security camera, mini, indoor, outdoor, whatever. And it's the same sort of thing. It's round. It's got the same look. It's got the same on off button and everything. And it says it's $20.49 for a pack of 3. So that is really cheap, right? $7 or $8 for one of these cameras. Another listing here on Amazon, mini hidden camera. Battery 1 hour is all it lasts? Surely not. 3-pack for $19.99. And there's another one here, Mini Pix Magnetic Mini Security Camera, a 3-pack and it has 1 star, 1 rating, $15.19. So the first one I looked at here, first listing, 2.2 stars for 209 ratings. And then you got 2.6 stars for 9 ratings on the second one. Okay, there's the third one. So I'm curious. Let's look at some of the ratings for this. All right, here we go. Useless product. Product is useless. 1 star. Can't even connect. And instructions are very, very small. Horrible. Poor quality. Awesome item. It's a verified purchase. Okay. Waste of time. Product is useless. Really nice. Seems nice, but difficult to get operating. Do not recommend. Product doesn't work at all. Garbage. So some of those reviews are not that promising. In fact, the majority of those are not that promising, I have to say. So like I said at the beginning of this is an interesting product. You might want to use it for something on the side here or there, but this is not your home security system. This is not, and also the home security companies are not worried about this like the video said. So I hope my video has been helpful to you. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate if you subscribe. That would mean a whole lot to me, more than you know. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.